How to use free hit fantasy premier league. Hello everybody. If you guys would like to activate it, you may follow up the steps. So what you can do is you can basically head over to FPL like this on your screen, and you should be finding this interface, and go to the transfer section within your FPL. Now what you need to do is you need to make transfer as usual, and then you can confirm your transfer and you will be finding an option to play free hit. So within transfer section, you will be finding all of the players. You can basically identify players that you want to bring in for a specific game week. For example, if you'd like to bring this player, you can just go and look out for this player, and then you can basically make the desired changes to your squad. Once you look out for your players here, you can consider fixtures and potential points. You can go to the transfer section, as I said, and you can look out for make transfer option and remove or replace the players that you don't want. When confirming your transfer, you will be seeing an option called Play Free Hit. For that, go over to transfers and look out for the option called Free Hit. So once you find the Free Hit option, usually in the top after the game week, your team will automatically revert to its original state once you do so. The thing is, the free hit chip can only be used one per season. Any points hits you took before activating the free hit are removed. The value of your players during the free hit week does not affect your overall team value. You can still use other chips alongside free hit, but only one chip can be used per game week. So this is how you use pre-hit fantasy premier league. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.